Advent of Code 2022, Day 4. Space needs to be collected before the last supplies can be unloaded from the ships, so several elves have been. Every section has a unique ID number. Each elf is assigned a range of section IDs. However, as some of the elves compare their assignments with each other, they notice that many of the assignments overlap. Try to quickly find overlap and reduce duplicated effort. The elves pair up and make a big list of the section assignments. For each pair, your puzzle input, for example, consider a following list of assignment pairs: 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6, 7, 8. The elves in the second pair were each assigned 2 sections. Single-digit IDs to make it easier to draw. The actual list might contain larger numbers. Visually, these pairs of section assignment look like this. Some of the pairs have noticed that fully contains the rest. 2, 3, 4, 6. So my puzzle input. In how many assignment pairs does one range fully contain the other? So let's take this example. Okay, first. Okay, pair. Well, assignment pairs. It's something like for a pair in file data.split, and then somehow it's like raw pair.split based on comma, and actually for or I don't know, x in, it will be x.split based on dash, and that will just be, I don't know, int y for y in x.split. Okay, and then just get the list of the ones that are, okay, one fully contains the other. Okay, so def left fully contains right, and that's left right, and then okay, it will return false by default, but if the right was the left side of the right left, like a smaller number on the right side is bigger or equal than left 0 and right right one is smaller or equal than left one, and return true, and then def one fully contains other A and B. It returns left fully contains right A, B, or left fully contains right B, A. In how many assignment pairs does one range fully contain the other? So here should be print sum one if one fully contains the other A, B, else 0 for A, B in assignment pairs. So it should be 2. Yes, it's 2. Okay, so now I put the actual puzzle input. It's 599. That's the right answer. Okay, let's try. It seems like there's still quite a bit of duplicate work planned. Instead of, I also would like to know pairs that overlap at all. How many assignment pairs do the ranges overlap? Okay, so they will overlap if either, okay, def overlap AB, okay, do overlap AB, and then like if overlap directed, okay, so if B so return false by default, and then if B starts before A ends, then they overlap. So if B starts before A ends, and then B okay, these are the overlap directed. Yay. So that's 4. Oh, okay, because here it's okay, do overlap. Why is it 0? Okay, it's 2 things. It's like, I don't know, A, B. Okay, basically it's like 2 lines, so these don't overlap. these overlap. So here, okay. What if I say okay, let's say that overlap should return true by default, and then if B starts before A ends, then false. Or if A starts before B ends. I think that should make sense. Oh, still 0, why? Okay, so the first one does not overlap. It really doesn't overlap, though. And it doesn't overlap because A starts or B. Oh wait, these have okay, gotcha. Those have to happen together. It's not the right answer, it's too low. Okay. Made a mistake. Wait, is there... So B starts before... Or B starts before A ends, and A starts before B ends. Okay, I don't know, like this one. 67. 92. So actually... If... in that case, they should return true. It should return true. Is it still 4 in this case? No, it's 5. Shit. I mean, there is kind of another way to do it without, because I'm getting confused. Maybe this would be fast enough. just to do like return that range a b plus, well, a 0 and a 1 plus 1. And then return length of left and right. So intersection is at least 1. But I was worried this would be slow. Okay, that's 4. But it will be fast enough. Yes.